most Windows 11 user never change this hidden group policy setting. In less than 30 seconds, I'll show you how to reduce the Microsoft promotional ad content and make your window experience cleaner. So let's get started. Step number 1. Close this slide, then click on the search bar, then type here JP Edit and click on the Edit Group Policy tab. So in this slide, simply click on the computer configuration. So right hand side panel, double click on the administrative templates. Here you just need to click on the Windows component, double click on this tab and scroll down, and you have to look out for the cloud content. Simply double click on this tab. So in this slide, simply you just need to double click on this option, turn off Microsoft consumer experience. Double click on this tab. So in this slide, you just need to click on the check this box enabled and click on the apply tab, then click on the OK tab. So after these settings, simply restart your PC and this will reduce the promotional ad content on your host machine. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.